Cringy AF. How did I even get here?
Hello, cringelings. Now, as of the current time, it is 9 p.m. at night. But I don't give a damn. We're out here playing fish. Now, you might be wondering why I'm already at level 6 and I just started recording. Well, here's the thing. I was playing earlier with Silver, Scruppy, Cassidy, and Lego, but I didn't record it. So let me just give a recap on how my experience went. We're gonna get to her in a minute. We're gonna get to that bitch down there in a minute. But here's a little recap on what happened. First joined the game, I was level 1, didn't know what to do. I explored a bunch of different points of interest, and well, hey, still don't know what to do. So basically, throughout this game, or what I've experienced in this game feels a lot like Animal Crossing mixed with Breath of the Wild, also mixed with another game. I don't know. Fuck, what did I say? Alright, so I know it's fucking Animal Crossing mixed with Breath of the Wild mixed with... Man, I don't even know. But we're gonna get to the beef in a minute. No, not even a minute. We're gonna get to the beef now. Hey, rip off. Like I said, we was gonna get to the beef in a minute. But now that minute has passed. I hate Roxy, cause why you out here being mean to me? What did I do to you? But yeah, let me just, go do the shit I have. So already I explored a bunch of different areas. I have a bunch of different shit in my inventory because I was fishing. Now we have my gears and all that, lines, lobbers, my index. Now I'm 22% done with Coconut Bay, the Open Sea, Crescent Isle, and I'm fucking almost done with the Open Sea. I just need a couple more fish. Crescent Isle is going to be a very different story. Then we have more points of interest I haven't really discovered yet. So stick around for this one. It's going to be a hard one. This is going to be a hard video to edit. Also, welcome to the new series, Fish. Yeah, I'm actually doing a series on the channel this time, which is going to be fun. Now, it's not really going to be a like goal. It's not really going to be a like goal set. I just want to know if you guys want me to do more of these videos. Because if you guys want more of these videos, I'll do it. I just need your guys' support. Anyways, let's get into it. No, let's not start the bullshit already. I almost crashed. This game can crash somebody and I know it. Oop. This is the mini game I always hate. Oh, now I see what other game it was mixed with. It's basically Animal Crossing mixed with Breath of the Wild mixed with Pokemon. The reason I say Pokemon is because the way you have to gotta catch the fish feels a lot like you're in a Pokemon battle. Okay, so I already seen multiple different points of interest. Also, let me know in the comments, who else do you guys want me to get on this series? Because I was playing it with Silver earlier. I was playing it, of course, with Silver, Lego, Scruppy, and Cassidy earlier, but didn't record that part. And to be honest, I was just thinking about doing a series on this while I was playing with them. So it's probably going to be me catching fish and like a bunch of funny different interactions with the characters. Oh, no, damn it. Okay, I think it's time to sell most of this stuff. Okay, excuse me, Miss Shopkeeper. With Roxy, the beef is real. Or Rexy, I don't even know how to say your name. With Rexy, that beef is real. Okay, shopkeeper. I should have my fucking personal mirror for this shit. Oh, that was almost bad. Alright, so we got Stevie back for business. And let me see. You selling? I'm buying. Oh, holy crack. Okay, let me sell most of this shit, except I'm selling all this shit except for the ghostly one. Okay. Now this feels a lot like Animal Crossing. And I like how it feels a lot like Animal Crossing, but Nintendo could be knocking on their door any minute now. Throughout the series, there's going to be beef with Roxy, so be prepared for the beef. Oh wait, I gotta spawn. I know I got a rowboat. Garage. Rowboat. Okay, let me stand with that. Yeah. Rowboat. I love how it feels like Animal Crossing. Okay, driver's seat. Oh, what? Okay, there we go. Oh, I'm too small. Okay, let me just, it's probably gonna take a good while. Oh, shoot. Okay, so I know there's one point of interest I do want to get to, and that's Crescent Isle. Let me just, with gas, I'm gonna step on the gas tonight. Hold up, wait. Before we even get to fucking, Crescent Isle, let's get over to fucking Gloomyville over there. Or as the name is gonna be for the series, the Valley of Ashes. And yes, I've been reading a lot of The Great Gatsby. Okay, almost there. Almost there. Okay, Cringy, you can just edit this out. Cringy, you can edit it out. Cringy, why am I doing this to myself? Come on, why am I doing this? Alright, so hold on, let me check my money. $2,000. Oh wait, Open Sea. I can just finish the Open Sea. Baby, I'm praying on you tonight. Don't you don't eat you alive. Just like animals, like animals. It's so hard to fucking do this shit. Okay, switch over to the dominant hand. A flying fish. Okay, Okay, let me see. I want to keep track of the open sea. Wait, I got flying fish. I want to be able to get like a decent loadout before I end up going back. Not going back, before I end up going to the Valley of Ashes. Well, I need to catch a fish from there just to actually, because I know there's a lot of, like, quests you gotta do. A herring. Alright, let's just go. I would edit music over this, but this game already this world already has music. Also, I want this to be an indie game so bad. But the one thing about an indie game like this, where it looks like Animal Crossing, feels like Animal Crossing, but it feels like Wind Waker, and also feels like Pokemon, there's gonna be copyright breathing all down your neck. Now, this game is generally fun, but it also had me screaming at times. Now, it was screaming out of fear, by the way. Because one, the ocean. You don't know what's in this ocean. Also, two, if you stay afloat for too long, like you're actually in the water but you're not underneath it, you actually drown. Ooh, okay. Okay, we're fishing off the bridge. Now, let me switch it over to this hand. Okay. Tanglewood Coast. It's the fact that some of these places actually have, like names. I can't give it like actual names for the series. A freaking, what is that? Okay, so wait, what? What? Oh wait, does it not say? Okay, so a channel catfish. I think I need to get like a decent percent. At least a decent percent. Because I'm adding fish to these damn Pokedex. Also, there's a fish I have in my inventory, which I think the nun girl over there, like in that church, actually, like, if you bring back like a spooky haunted fish, I guess, like a cursed fish, you can actually cure it. Okay, what the heck is this? Like sugar on my tongue, tongue. Your body is so sweet, sweet, sweet. And but if you come, is all I want to eat. Tell your mama, hey, what? I'm sorry, a frog? Okay, that it is what it said it was, a frog. So we have bluegill sunfish, a channel catfish, and the frog. I mean, this is fucking swamp water. Like, that's the funny thing, it's fucking swamp water. So it's starting to get a bit jittery. For me, it's jittery. You guys won't be able to see it. But it's so fucking jittery. Yay! What did I just catch? Okay, it doesn't even say what I caught. Am I gonna... Am I... Okay, let me see what I had. In the bag, I know. Oh. What the fuck? Burning bold. I take it back. This ain't Woodland Ghost. This ain't the Valley of Ashes. This is Nightmareville. Oh god, it's so foggy. Why is it so thick? I know I can't step in the water because I will drown. Okay, another fish. Alright, I got 2 sunfish. I'm gonna be up here for like a good while till I actually get a rare fish. Okay, so a wild fish has appeared. What? I'm sorry. Did I just get a plastic bag? Okay, so I still have my ghostly tuna. Okay, I think it's time to go to the church. I can't remember where I actually parked the boat. This is Creepersville. This is Jeepers Creeperville. Oh, I forgot. A headless... Oh, crap. Headless dude and, Sam Fisher. Literally Sam Fisher. Okay. Hello? I've come to see glory from the highest honor. Okay, so I know fucking how. Alright, my goodness, Maria. My goodness, Marina. Wait. Fuck. Goddess. May Goddess Marina be with you. I have cursed fish. Thank you. Let me purify them. Nope. What? Excuse me. I have a ghastly tooth. Okay, maybe it's not cursed. It needs to say curse, probably. Yeah, I've got fish. I'm sorry. What the fuck is my rod doing? That's a lot of context. Bye, Sam Fisher. Oh god, the fucking headless homunculus. Yeah. At least the golf bitch isn't anywhere, because goddamn, I hate her. Yeet. Oh, it's so foggy. Oh, it's so foggy. It is so foggy. I just have a bald doll. I need to get the fuck out of here. I need to get the fuck out of here. I need to get out of here, dog. It's so cursed. A snapping turtle? Alright, it should fucking... Okay, let me see. Fucking... Alright, let me see. Index. It should have... The hell is going on? What? Okay, so this is very much a swamp. Finally, clear weather. Jesus Christ. Okay, I think we're done with Tanglewood Coast. I think we should go Crescent Isle. Let's go where I park. Wait a minute. Wait. How the fuck did bro? Okay, this is really like fucking Animal Crossing. Somehow on every island you visit, there's Dodo Airlines. It's all Dodo Airlines. Hold on, wait, let me see what you're charging. Hey, welcome to my shop. I said Grimby. No! This sounds similar to a nickname C-Dubs calls me, Crimby. And much buzz on for yo. Excuse me? You asking for who, huh? How much money? Okay, yeah. Let's just nod. I'm good with my toy fishing rod, thank you very much. Which I forget. Yeah, you too. Let's get out of this place, goddammit. Okay, over the bridge. I'm telling you what, this video probably gonna take an hour. And it'll probably take an hour to upload and edit probably. Shut. Okay, yep, sun and rain. I can't see jack. Okay. Okay, so I know that's our town over there. Over there is where Crescent Isle is. So we basically have the valley. We had the fucking the Great Gatsby references coming in. We have fucking West Egg and East Egg, old money and new money. Okay, so yeah. Row your boat, jump it on the stream. Merrily, fishing's but a dream. Wait, a school of blobfish? Hold on, wait, I saw Zolver catching blobfish when I joined him. So why not go get blobfish? Blobby fish. Give me the blobfish, or the bald fish. Okay, gotta be right above it. So it don't go down, it do go down. Fuck. I hope I don't accidentally go doom scrolling while doing this, because it's gonna be heard in my background. Ooh. A seahorse and I stabbed it. I'm getting this shit like very much like, can I 100% complete this goddamn world? Like, am I able to 100% complete this? I'll be lucky if the world creators that made this world actually end up commenting on this video. But if they do, I'm just wondering, can I 100% complete this game? Like, what is this gonna take? 2 parts? 3 parts? 4 parts? God, I hope it doesn't take like at least 20 parts, because if it does, that's how you know this game is too fun. Either that or I just suck at completing games. I'm looking at you, Iron Lung. I'm looking at you. Specifically the VRchat world, which is also a port of the game. I could not beat that, and I don't know if I can beat it. It'll probably take a 1-hour video. I mean, fuck, 40 minutes to edit one goddamn video? A fucking Iron Lung video that's 40 fucking minutes long? Like, who thought of this shit? So the boat's gonna move. It's obvious the boat's gonna move, so I might as well get out of the boat or get out of the driver's seat. Come on, 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 no, come on. Blobby fish! I got a blobby fish. I'm 50. It's like hearing the horns of Ezekiel knowing the Lord has come back. It's like hearing the horns of Ezekiel knowing the Lord has come back. What I gotta do is catch some good fish while we have 2 times luck on our side. A mackerel, holy, oh, a haddock. Hadouken. This is honestly peaceful when when I played this shit is peaceful. So when I get over to new money, no, not new money, old money. When I get over to Crescent Isle, aka West Egg, aka old money, I'm gonna be able to sell most of this stuff. I know there's a house on the far end, and it's literally like Gatsby Manor. I'm gonna reference the Great Gatsby a lot in this series, probably. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, come on. Come on. Come on. Give me fish. Give me fish. Yeah, another blobfish. Okay, I think there's enough fishing. I think it's enough fishing. Yeah, I'm gonna have to delete the... Vroom vroom, zoom vroom, vroom zoom. Zoom zoom, vroom vroom. Gotta make vroom vroom zoom zoom. I just want to like stick my hand like I want to fucking stick my hand in there and grab the water. Okay, cannon right there. Crescent Isle. Wait, is it Crescent Isle? Yep, Crescent Isle. It's like it says I know it looks like it says something different, but the fact that it's actually Isle is what gets me. Wait, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Bing. Wait, Sonica. Wait, we ain't doing this. Sonica, we ain't doing this. Sonica. Fucking no, Sonica. God damn. Wait, have you ever been to Peru? I ran there once. And I have some nice info actually. My stepbrother's dad's best friend's wife. This game is kind of dark. Advice again. There's been signs of a mysterious black figure around the islands. Okay. Now, how do I run? Okay, so nice for you to check in. Hello. That's nice of you. Alright. Bye, Sonica. Okay, so now I gotta catch some fish around here. Oh, believe it. Wait, either how strong are you really, or what's up with your eyes? You were earned by defeating the 11 spirit beasts of the sea back in my country. They gave me special power, and the top row, they made me look really cool. Secret technique scroll. So, the fact that I'm a pretty big deal. Shut, you ain't hot, kid. I can also move fast. They move faster than the speed of sound and walk on water. It took me many years now. Oh wait, nothing is. They keep saying you can walk on water. I need to know how you can do that. Let me see how. Dude, I'm not trying to respect you. I'm trying to respect this. Shit. Fuck no. Fuck no. Okay. Wait. Oh, who are you? Hey, whoa. Alright, back up. I probably have to back up. There's one person I know, not the fog. I know he's somewhere. This is one of Silver's favorite characters out of now. Where is he? Okay, I gotta find him. It's like, it looks like you can enter some of these houses, but somehow you can't. Nope. Come on, where is he? Oh, hold on. Oh wait, and now he's gonna tell us that the cave is blocked off. Like, if the camera was like if the camera was like Animal Crossing camera, this would have been fucking perfect. I just love how when they run, they do the Naruto run. They literally put their arms behind their hands and just no, fuck. Put their hands behind their backs and just start zooming. Okay, garage, and no, I don't need that. Hold on, this is a shop. Nesso? Oh, probably because Pearl. What's up, homie? I'm Ness. Welcome to Nessa. Wait, Nessa's workshop, damn it. Wait the that shot was so perfect. Wait, you might have met my sister already. She runs our company. So, is it like the two twin raccoons in fucking Animal Crossing? Tommy. I forgot the other name. I forgot the other one's name. It's great to have a family business. So, okay, boats. Give me the boats. Let me see what I can buy boats. Got you. More of a fucking chill pill. Oh wait, can I? No, I can't buy it. I'm gonna need a lot of money. Okay, so now I know where I need to go. Alright, so I need to get to like the ancient Egypt area. When I say era, I couldn't find Tommy though. I wasn't even gonna try to find Tommy. There's nothing you fucking. Salutations, John Tommy. How are you doing today? Okay, so this area is somewhere. Okay, so I know home is over there. Frick. Alright, I'm stuck. Okay. You know what time it is? Time to wander around aimlessly. That's it. I see it. It's pyramid. It's pyramid shape. Alright, so we're still foggy. Like, are we doing the foggy bottom? Like, are we going to fucking foggy bottom, bro? Or what is this? But I know this is the ancient Egyptian area. So I know fucking hell. Move. It's gonna take an hour for this. This video is gonna probably take an hour. So I know a goal for this series. Do several different points of interest and actually do some like achievements or missions, because I know you can do that. Now I look at the titles, I see some of the stuff. Ooh, professional. I can go for professional angler. So we got seasoned angler, catch 100 fish. Yeah, I'm not gonna get that. Let me get out the fucking boat first of all. Okay, so master angler. Yep. Excited, reach level 10. I'm not gonna do it. Expert or a farmer. Salesman, so I sold 100 fish. And I sold 10 fish, you sold 100 fish, then you sell. That's a lot of fish. Okay, so not for coconut. Alright, so I need to complete all. Alright, so I know one thing. Alright, so it's a bunch of different things. Okay, so for this series, I'm gonna set up not a goal. I know what I'm gonna do. For this series, I'm gonna complete every different point of interest, which means I gotta do every index for Coconut Bay, Crescent Isles, Volcanic Depth. Wait, if I Luxionist Dunes, Tanglewoods, and a bunch of other shit, like a bunch of other quests. Which I know I'm gonna have to fucking either like look up some of this shit, or I'll like I don't even know. I'm gonna have to look up a lot of this shit. But this is only the start of the series. Wait, I wasn't in the boat. But this is only the start of the series. So I'm just getting somewhere where I can actually get enough money. Now, like I said, there wasn't going to be a light goal. Even though light goals do help some like some YouTuber gameplays, like fucking hell. Some like goals do help YouTube like gameplay series and all that. So a light goal, a simple light goal, just a simple teeny tiny light goal. Since I'm a relatively small channel, let's say 20 or 30 likes. And I'll come back with another fishing video. Well, it's not even called fishing. You know what? Fuck. I literally... Now with 20 or 30 likes, it will come back to fish. I just got to the place, bro. Why is it foggy? That's gonna take an hour. Okay, boats, boats. So I would go through there, but I'm gonna actually like struggle my way. So I was making this fucking joke how it's fucking Nazareth or Nazareth. Okay. Nesu. You may have met my sister already. Alright, yeah, this is getting confusing. Girl, how many twins do you have? Whoa, 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 where you think you're going, good buddy? Who? Oh boy, more man, sniffs the air. What do you want? 300 years on this rock. But they still can't complain about the fresh blood. I think you were gonna say fresh blood. What do you want? Just this morning, what is this place over here? Do you think there's life beyond? Do you think there's life beyond Aqualon? Damn it, I can't read for shit. I like to think every star in the sky has a planet like ours. I don't like sand. Please tell me. Oh, I fucking hell. Sand, and more sand. Oh, fucking damn it. As far as the eye can see. Alright, so... welcome to a place of sand. And no, we're not talking shifting sand lands. We are talking about fucking Jerusalem. 'Cause it feels like Jerusalem. I noticed a chipmunk here. Oh, damn. Oh my gosh, I love your style. You are like absolutely fat. I want to feel the rainbow. I want to stand up. What are you doing around here? Well, stick around. We need more fabulous and more people. You are a step up from that golf bitch. Quite a step up, I might say. Oh wait, daily spin. Money. Let it ride. Oh, no, scrap, damn it. Okay, so this is an area somewhere. It also might be too small. I know. Oh shit. I'm looking for scrap metal, so if you need any, let me know. Fantastic. Oh, fuck. Alright, damn. So, wait, hold up. Let me not get too carried away. Let's actually start fishing. Just youngin', we're going fishing. Watch as it plummets into the sea. So I know my goal, not goal for this video, at least get somewhere. But I know damn well part 2, you're gonna see me at fucking, the starter island. Because I am the Barracuda! 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 Siamese giant carp. Okay. No, I'm gonna drown. I'm gonna drown. I'm gonna drown. I'm gonna drown. Why do I keep getting ball dolls, bro? I got a burning ball doll and 2 other ball dolls. Why do I keep getting the dolls? But this game might have some secrets that I don't know about. Like, this game might be hiding some, like, secret lore thing. Even though the simple premise is just fishing. Okay, I think it's time to sell some items. Sell the items. Let me see what I can sell you, buddy. Come. Hey, sweetheart. Let me see what you got. Alright, we can... Okay, you see the fish. Sell all of it! You don't have to sell it all. So... Wait, I could've given the burning doll. And you know what? I don't have any. It didn't have any cursed fish. So, if I don't have cursed fish, I don't have cursed fish. I just love the way they fucking Naruto run. what's in here? Can't open any of these. Wait, that's an in. Next time, so I know when some of the inns it actually like it keeps you there. Okay, I remember where I parked the boat. Huh. 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 Upgrades. Hey. A new. Welcome back to a new shop. Take a look around. Now, it's out. These artifacts are really rare. That's why they're expensive. Okay. All legit. Hold up. Now I see some skepticism with that. So, all this shit I can't get, I can't afford. Which means I gotta fish. There's a bunch of locked doors everywhere. Where, you know, what the hell's back here? Oh, right, waterfall. Now, I think before I end this video, I'm gonna give a bit of like a commentary. So as we fish, I'm gonna get some commentary. So obviously, this game, I like it. It's good. It has a lot of redeeming qualities. With me, it feels a lot like Animal Crossing. The fishing mechanics is not really that hard. It's easy to get down, but it can be rage-inducing at sometimes. But there are good things to say about the game, this world. Like for one, it does have a cute aesthetic and all that. It feels a lot like Animal Crossing. It does feel chill. So it's like different from like a lot of different fishing game like worlds, especially when it comes to a simple fishing world. That one, it is a simple fishing world, but it feels kind of like overwhelming. But with fish, honestly and personally, it doesn't really feel that overwhelming. And there's actually, you know, things to do. You have different objectives. And like I said, it feels a lot like Animal Crossing. Now, if this went the Animal Crossing route and it gave you like an actual like type of ending, like if it actually gave you ending for like doing all like completing everything in this game, then that would honestly be perfect. So we can really catch 2 more fish, then I can sign off the video. And my headset's low, so we're gonna have to shorten it to 1 fish. Rainbow trout. Alright, I'm gonna have to go back to spawn. Alright, cringelings. That is it. That's all. But again, this is part 1 of a series that will have multiple different parts to be seen. Now, you know the deal. Either 20 or 30 likes, and I'll continue the series, because I generally want to continue the series. But I can't just continue a series if there isn't any show of growth, or I guess interest with you guys. So again, like I said, 20 or 30 likes, I'll continue the fish series. But you guys know the deal and know the drill. When you come for the cringe, you guys stay for the cringe. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.
Cringy AF.
What am I doing with my life?